You're looking for a voice changer? You're looking for a voice changer? And you want to use it for your camera? We're going to show you what this is all about. From the provider, VidalKraft. We have here it's a microphone, headset monitoring. We have a 48 hertz, 24-bit from 70 through 118 dB level of the audio mic sound with the supplied 2 USB-C compliance cable, earpieces built into the microphone set, placed on to your neck and the left and right into the air. You have the receiver, Bluetooth, iOS, Android, USB-C, and Lightning for your smartphone without a case to simply plug in. You have an instruction guide to learn more about your product of the 4 voice changing, the 6 built-in effects, and the 12 different presets of cheer, laugh, and so forth. This is for live stream, personal use with the built-in SD card slot of an option of longer than 4 gig of memory. The card is included and sticks on to the side of the unit. It has an LED window that when you hit the controller buttons to turn on, it lights up over here on the outside with 5 different levels. As you can see, the light lit, nice and dim. It takes a number of hours to charge the unit. Press it for each of the level modes. We're on level number 5 as you see it. Let's give you a demonstration of the microphone. And I got my mic over here, so I'm going to press it right next to it so this way you can hear what I'm hearing. I'm on the male. This is the male's voice. You can hear the difference. It gets a little deeper. And this is the female's voice, which is the highest tone. How about a kid's voice? You want to hear a monster? I am a monster. I'm going to tell you what else this has.
Are you okay? What?
Test 1, 2, 3.
Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3.
Test 1, 2, 3. This is a TV.
This is electronic 2. This is the microphone controller. And this is the host. This is the dock. And this is the level. Level 3. Level 4. Level 5. This is the microphone's level. I can lower my level. As you can hear, it goes lower. And I can raise all the way up to the top and bottom, and then turn everything off by hitting the OST. and then muting. And then we can hit the pop, give you a little bit of a background noise. Pop, and I have a mute. And that shows you everything that this product can do via the remote control. And you have here to switch between Bluetooth and live stream, everything that this product can do. And there it is. Now, I hope you enjoy this product. If this is something that you're looking for effects from VidalKraft, I hope you enjoy your product and enjoyed the demonstration. Thank you for viewing.